14 degrees. What a great day. So, most of you guys know about CrownSpeedLab, Crown Auto, but this time we're doing Crown Off-Road, and we'll be at Rausch Creek. Our first time at Rausch Creek. Got a couple of guys, a couple of friends. Have a good time. Yo, Carla, how many miles per gallon are you getting?
Like 8, bro. Well, to the speed that we're doing, man, we're doing 90. I'm getting 8.6.
Shit.
Alright, Chad.
Oh, we made it. Hello. What you got there?
Hot cocoa.
And that's it. We made it out. Nothing broke. Everybody's good. Time to gear back up. And we're done. So how you think today went?
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
Tired.
Tired.
We know what we need for the next event, I guess. So, back to the shop and add on what we need to I guess, yeah, adjustments.
All right. Any recommendations for the others that are going to join us next time?
Definitely all-terrain tires, and definitely a lift kit. I mean, it's a must, but not needed since we had someone without a lift, but it's just hard to navigate over certain rocks.
Also, each truck should have a spotter.
Yeah, definitely a spotter.
Definitely a spotter, yeah.
And I mean, navigator, I don't think you need it if you have a lead car, but spotter is definitely needed, even on the green trails. So
Cool. So the next one